we are from class 7. Now we are going to present a puppet show. The story name is Three Sisters. Let's start.
Once upon a time, there were three sisters.
Hi everyone, my name is Sana.
Hi everyone, my name is Rosary.
Hi everyone, my name is Kashmi. Hi everyone, I am the father of the three daughters.
Sana, Rosary, and Kashmi. Were staying with dad in a beautiful house. But you know, these three girls used to fight with each other. So one day they all are very hungry and they went to kitchen.
Oh, I'm feeling very hungry. I too. Let's see in the kitchen.
I want to eat something.
The three girls went to the kitchen.
Inside the kitchen, these fruit bowl. But all the girls wanted to eat an apple. But in the basket, as you see, there is only one apple. So all the girls started fighting over an apple.
I want to eat this apple.
No, I want to eat this apple. No, I want to eat this apple. Go from here. You both go from here.
No,
I want to eat this apple. Please go from here. I want to eat the apple.
They all started fighting. After seeing that, father came there and advised them not to fight. Girls, you should not fight. This apple you can share and eat it. No need to fight. But the girls did not understand and kept fighting. No,
I want to eat this apple. Please go from here. I want to eat this apple. Please, Sana, go. Rosary, go.
Now, after seeing them, father decided to teach a lesson to them. Father called his daughters. Come on, girls, let's play a games.
Oh,
Yay,
games. I want to play game. Let's play the game.
Sana's father gave a stick to the Sana and said, Sana, can you break this stick? Sana said, oh, it's so easy. I can break easily. And she broke the stick in seconds. Next is Rosary's turn. Okay, Dad, it's so simple and she also broke it. Next is Rosary's turn. Oh, Dad, anyone can do this and she also broke it. Now, Dad this time gave a bunch of sticks to the girls one by one. First, the turn is Sana. Sana said, oh, it's so hard. I can't break this. Next is Rosary's turn. Oh, it's so very hard. Father, you gave very bunch of sticks. I can't do this. Next, Kashmi also tried a lot, but she also can't do it. That's it. Dad, listen, my lovely daughters. If you stay together, then you are become a strength. But if you keep fighting, any other can take your advantage. Moral of the story is unity is strength. This puppet show is done by Sana and Rosary. Thank you for watching. Thank you.